my long-awaited sophomore dorm room tour. I'm so excited for you guys to see how cute my room looks. Obviously, you kind of get a little glimpse of my room just from this little angle, but I'm so excited. My room was super cute this year. I'm very excited about it. Just like two little quick things to know, I am living in a different dorm this year than last year, and then I am also on the top floor of my dorm, which means I have the very tall ceilings because I am on the top floors. That means I get more space. So if you are going to follow along with my dorm idea, or if you're going to use this idea to set up your dorm, just keep in mind I have tall dorm ceilings. And if you have never seen my face before, hello, my name is Catherine Christian, and I would love it for you guys to subscribe to my channel. The link is down below or at the end of this video right up here. And I don't want to make this intro too long because I'm super excited about this video, so let's just get right on into it. This is what our door looks like. We have a little welcome to our patch sign because it's November. Then that's our names. This is my roommate Justine. You guys have seen her before in the dynamic duo tag. So then for our little places, I have in class around practice room, Alpha Delta Pi, off campus, and sleeping. Justine has in class around Strayer / GB Pack, which is our performing arts places, Alpha Sigma Tau, off campus, and sleeping. Then we have pictures of each other. This is from recruitment last year. This is from New Year's of last year when we went to Allstate, recruitment this year, homecoming last year. This is her About Me section, and this is my About Me section. And now I'm gonna open the door. And this is what you see when you walk in. We're actually gonna start from closing the door. So this is the door area. We have our towels over there. And this is my closet. As you can tell, I have the same shower curtain as last year. And this is Justine's closet. I won't go in because I don't know if she wants to show what's in there. When I open it, we have my robe and my keys right on this side. My shoe rack, which has my sweatpants, my leggings. We have shorts. Then we have jeans, my Alpha Delta Pi sweatshirts, and my normal sweatshirts. All of my tennis shoes right here, so that's this section. And then I have all of my hanging clothes. I try to keep them in color-coded order. Then I have all of my jackets on this side. I have my laundry, which I need to do, and all of my shoes down here. And I have my warmer shoes because it is freezing outside. Then I just have towels, sheets, just all of this fun stuff. Up here is the little storage area. We have some cards that I got and a lot of pictures from past years and everything. And then on the inside, I just have my purse and just extra supplies and like my gym bag and extra stuff. Up here, we have my Shine card and just fun decorations. And then Justine also has some fun decorations. And then as we go, this is our meet and greet picture from our Pentatonics concert. Here, I'll try to get it without. And then this is our quote board. It says, "Sorry I'm late, I was leaving the house and then accidentally sat down." And in the corner it has an asterisk and a C, and so it either has a C or a J depending on who did the quote. So this is my quote, I found it on Pinterest. And then just little fun things. This is from Michael's, and I believe this is from Michael's too. This is fake because we cannot keep real plants. And then it's all the same as last year except the cabinets are white. So this is our sink area. Hello, this is me. This is Justine's towel. This is our wash towel. This is all my towels. And then we have a humidifier, face wash stuff, all of that stuff. We have our under the sink thing here. This is all my stuff, and this is Justine's stuff. And then this is all of our shower stuff. And yes, it is November, but we have vampire blood because we're trying to get rid of it. But then I do have a Christmas soap to go. Up here, we just have cleaning supplies, extra supplies of that. We have, in this one, if I can get it open, all of our dishes and our cups and mugs. And then up here is like flu stuff and then food. And then I'm not gonna go into the drawers, but this is my drawer. This is all of my well, I'll go into this one. This is like all of my cosmetic stuff. This is Justine's drawer. These two are my drawers. This one has like sleep stuff and like bras and stuff. And this one has shirts. And then those are Justine's drawers. And then we have a mirror right here so we can see how like shoes work with outfits and everything. Pair of towels. Our Swiffer was here, but then it fell. So you can see right there. I have a fan right here. Put my backpack there. And then this is our desk area. and you can see out the window there. We also need to take all of our Halloween decoration stuff down. So this is my area. This is my laptop. You can tell I put stickers on it. It's lovely. This is honestly my favorites out of all of them. It says, "Oh, just gonna sneak right past ya, Midwesterners." And then this is probably Tide. I play that big violin thing. Right here is where I keep my makeup, all of my everyday products. Just a few decorations. This is my Vienna one, my New York one. This is my Ipsy bag. Flowers that I got from my parents when they came and went to my gala concert. Pens and pencils, Alfie the Lion, the Keurig, pop tab jar, because we support the Ronald McDonald House, mask and pad. I'm not going to go into these drawers, but they're just like office supplies and everything. This is all Justine stuff. This is just some school stuff that she has. A mirror, which I use a lot. Underneath, she has her backpack. The way we had this set up, we needed the microwave to be on something, so we got this 3-tiered shelf from Walmart. And I can put in a little footage, but it was a struggle to get through. So we just keep storage there. We have our fridge here. And then this is Justine's bed. I'll just give a little overview of it. So she has it at captain's height, which is like not like a normal height. So she still has to step up into it, and she uses this ottoman to step up into it. This is my bed right here. And then we have our futon here because it can't fit under the bed. And we have decorations on it. The pillow says, "I can't even." Then over here we have TV, DVD player, DVDs there, games here, sleep mist. I suggest investing in a sleep mist. It is the best decision I've ever made. Books, candle warmer, penguin that changes colors, more DVDs, and then our textbooks go in here. And under a futon we have storage, but I don't want to show you that. We have a little gallery wall here. This sign, the sign language, says love. It also has like the letters underneath. Justine made this, and when I bring out my Christmas stuff, I'm gonna put a stocking there. And finally, my bed. So this is my bed. I have it lofted. I have a different comforter this year. This comforter is from Kohl's. So this is like, I have the same sheets and everything. This is Alfie the Lion. I always have him up there. I have a weighted blanket, which honestly is the best investment ever. If you have anxiety or if you like have trouble sleeping at night, seriously invest in a weighted blanket. Is the best thing ever. This is from Bed Bath & Beyond. And then this is my gallery wall. It took me forever to do, but I am freaking in love with it. So I have all like 80 pie stuff here. This cheer bow is from our bid day, and one of my sisters made it. This Salzburg painting is actually from Salzburg. This card, this card, this card, and this card, all cards that I got for my birthday. I made this C. This is from Scrapbook that someone made for me. My bag made this Party Like It's 1851 for me. I got this from a craft show, and then Girl Goddess in Real Life sign right here is from Target, and then this love thing I got passed down to me from one of my sisters who went alum last year, and I really miss her. Love you, Jane. And then I have my 80 pie flag, and we like laced our fairy lights above this, and I freaking love it. I have my calendar up here, and I freaking just love my setup. It is so cute and everything. When I go to bed at night, sometimes I put it on my Insta story. So if you go to my Insta story highlights and see my night aesthetic highlight, you will see a lot of this area, and I love it. We have tall ceilings because we're on the top floor. That's why I can't have all this space for a gallery wall. If my wall was shorter like last year, it would be like, it would cut off at like right there for the ceiling. So I do want to mention that, because if you do want to use my room idea, I do have taller ceilings because we are on the top floor. I'm just gonna do a quick overview of the room. That was my dorm. Are you guys loving it? Because I'm loving it. I've lived in this dorm for about 3 months now, I believe. And every day it just feels more and more like home. We just decorated for the holiday season because December is on Saturday, which is freaking insane. If you did like the video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and comment down below what year you are. If you're in college, or are you like a sophomore in college like I am? Are you in middle school? Are you in high school? Are you even in elementary school? let me know. Make sure you guys follow my Instagram and my Twitter. They're right here. I already plugged my Instagram, obviously. Seriously, go check out my night aesthetics highlight on my Instagram. Super, super proud of it. I just hit 10,000 steps on my Fitbit because I move my arms a lot. Also, guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Seriously, I know a lot of you guys are new here and a lot of you come for the dorm room tour. Like last year my dorm room tour hit like an amazing amount of views that I wasn't even expecting. So if you are definitely new, make sure to subscribe. It would make my heart so happy. And I'm starting Vlogmas on Saturday, which is going to be super, super exciting. It will be day 1 of Vlogmas, but it won't be December 1st vlog. December 1st vlog is going up on December 2nd. It won't be day 2, but day 1 is going to be the behind the scenes of filming my intro because I decided to be extra this year and film an intro for my Vlogmas. Vlogmas day 1, I will be announcing what my giveaway is, and I will be announcing the winner of the giveaway once I hit 300 subscribers. So make sure you are subscribed to my channel to find out and enter to win my giveaway. Yeah, this is the end of the video, so I will see you guys on Saturday for day 1 of Vlogmas. Bye!
1, 2, 3, funky. My darling, I love you.